guys.
Today we are going to be going to Universal, and what will we be doing, Dad?
Right, as it is right now, we're in our hotel. It is 6:11 in the morning. For resort guests, the park open at 7. We're gonna try to be there by 7 because the spring break crowds are crazy. Like we were there last night in Cedarwood.
It's still a huge amount.
And a huge amount of people came out of those parks at 10:30 at night. But anyways, we're gonna try to take advantage of our benefits of staying on resorts, which means we could come in an hour earlier than everybody else, which is awesome.
And it's also pretty better for us that we're closer to there.
Exactly.
Because we're right there to Universal.
So right now we're just gonna grab some breakfast, not here in the resort because nothing is open. Surprisingly, that's crazy. They don't open until 7 in the morning. But anyway, we're gonna grab something from the resort. Also, if you're brand new around here, hi, this is Cool Case Adventures, and we're here with our mission to provide you fun for the whole entire family. So when you come here to the theme parks or anywhere in Central Florida, at least you know what to do or have expectation of what you can find around here. Anyways, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Good morning again from a busy island of adventure. I don't know if you can see back there. As it is, it's 7:05. We made it to early access from the resort guests, like I told you earlier, but still a very busy day over here. Spring break, to be expected. So let's see what we can find. Let's see what we can do today. At this point, this early in the morning, there's only 2 things open: Spider-Man and Hagrid's at this point. So we decided to go to Spider-Man. As the little man, Khalil, been wanting to do the ride. It's been a while since we've done it. And this is the reason why we do early access. Spider-Man is only a 5 minutes away. I take it.
Yeah, because it's usually...
Hello, good morning.
In normal days, it's usually like a 60 to 70 minute wait.
Yeah, it's somewhere between 45 to 60 minutes.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away.
Doc Ock on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life.
Even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean not us?
Yes, of course.
Back to the bugle and...
Doc, you're in first with your haircut.
All right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese.
All right, little man, how was it?
It was way better than I remembered.
I know it's been a while for us. Anyway, with that, we want to remind everybody: if you're finding any valuable content, make sure to what?
Make sure you smash that like button.
And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe down below for more content like this and help us reach our goal. Our next goal is to 1,000. We happen to May 4th, people. Let's hit it, all right? Let's hit that goal. May 4th is our 2nd year anniversary, and we would love if we could make it to 1,000. But anyways, now we're gonna head to Hagrid to check that line out. This is exactly where Hagrid's line starts right now. Right, almost in front of Mythos, which is nothing unusual, honestly. This is typical. Just want to show you guys very quick that as of 7:15 this morning, Hagrid has gone on a virtual line. One thing that I noticed too, if I was to try to get a virtual pass right now, it's asking me to go at 11, 2, and 4 in the afternoon, which is quite interesting. As you can tell, they're already anticipating a high volume of people. Obviously wanted to do what is called the best ride here in property. And the time has arrived. We finally made it here. You still as excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love this ride anyway.
I love this ride.
Yeah. So it's been about close to an hour, honestly, since we've been making that line. But we're about to go in. Excited to see that.
This is literally like the top ride in
yeah.
Universal.
Best ride.
This is Islands of Adventure. So.
Yeah. So there's a little bit. What we'll do, guys, we'll put a little clip of the ride. So we show you a little bit of our adventure while we were riding it.
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the scoots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Salem after me. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on, Dragon Fire's got a kick.
So after over 2 hours, we finally made it. And it was good.
Amazing. It was really fun. It's the best ride.
It was fun. And how many times you rode it?
Twice.
Why?
Because I said to one of the cast members.
To the team members?
I said, thank you, have a good rest of your day. So then he stopped us and told us to hold on. And then he gave us another ride.
That's it. So I guess he paid off to be kind, guys. Be always nice. Like Kaleo always, and Kyla, both of them, luckily for us, they have good manners, so they're very thankful.
So if you give kindness to the world, kindness will come back to you.
That's it. Good advice, buddy. I've been waiting for a few days now since that I saw that the pedestrian bridge has reopened, and you could literally walk under the Velocicoaster. Now this is amazing, just to come and see it in person. I love seeing this.
Brittany, what's that one?
Oh, that's our good friend Rick Flake. So you guys haven't now seen him, go check him out on his YouTube channel. He's amazing. This is great. I love this. I could spend literally a long time over here just admiring this. And it's kind of cool that from this bridge you can see the hulk, you can see like everything. But we've been standing here for a little bit, just hoping that they test it out, right, Kyla?
Yeah.
Just to see it.
I want to see what it looks like.
Now Kyla is trying to get a little bit of encouragement. She's trying to be braver because she doesn't want to ride it when it opens. But we're trying to like wait to see they test it out so she gets to see it.
So I could see if it's not crazy enough.
But you know what? You know what's crazy though? Months ago, when they reopened the park, we were back there, right behind Three Broomsticks, just trying to get sneak peeks of all these. And now we're here. I mean, it's so real. I can't believe that it went as fast. But oh my, look at that, guys. I love these. Oh yeah. Wow, look at the line for River Adventure, and it's a hot day. I don't blame them. Yeah, looking at this line, it's 110 minutes. Now, you guys know when it's not spring break, this is probably the most 20 minutes to half an hour. Also, I was looking at the app earlier, and as of 9 in the morning, Kong has been at capacity. So that, I mean, rightfully so. Kalel and I decided to check on Popeye's and Bluto's barges. We were estimating that the long was, I mean, the lines were gonna be long, but it's not that bad. It's only what, Kalel?
35 minutes.
35 minutes. But in this weather, this looks so refreshing. And it's moments like this when you realize that either being an annual pass holder or staying at a resort is a huge benefit for coming in here early. As you remember, it was only 5-minute wait when we came over here. Now at 75, we decided to leave IOA. I just want to show you guys really quick what happens when the theme parks reach capacity. They do have a standby line for people in here who want to go to Island of Adventure, as it have reached capacity already, which is not bad. Actually, it's not that long of a line. I was expecting it to be worse than this. This is one of the perks of staying in the hotel. See, it don't matter. Right now they're at capacity. Well, because we're part of the hotels, guess what? We get to go in.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we back.
Alrighty, people, so there you have it. We went to Island of Adventure, spent some of the day over there. It was fun. It was fun to see the new updates that they have done to the park. It was fun to do some of the rides, show you a little bit of the crowd. So it's been a successful day.
Yes, it can.
But now, since that it's still early, it's time for us to go back to our hotel. It's been a long morning.
Yes.
6 or 7 hours already in here. We're tired. But anyways, so sadly this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.